How many hours do AI engineers waste wrestling with slide design instead of refining models? The Building AI presentation generator eliminates this grind with NLP driven content parsing, template driven rendering, and automated content pipelines that integrate directly with your Jupyter notebooks or LangChain workflows. It's built for precision, transforming technical docs into branded slides using transformer based summarization, vectorized template matching, and parallelized rendering pipelines. No more late nights debating Comic Sans versus Arial. This is for ML practitioners drowning in conference deadlines, data scientists prepping investor pitches, and technical leads scaling documentation. Let's automate the boring parts so you can focus on the actual intelligence. Here's what's inside the Building AI presentation generator skill. It auto-generates slides from Markdown or JSON using NLP-driven text clustering, applies customizable template frameworks with CSS in JS styling, and integrates content pipelines via Airflow or Dagster. Export to PPTX with embedded Python charts, PDFs with LaTeX math, or HTML for web demos. The skill includes pre-trained BERT models for slide coherence scoring, ChromaDB for template versioning, and a CLI for batch processing decks. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your workflow supercharged. Installing the Building AI presentation generator skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building AI presentation generator. That's it. You'll download the complete skill, expert level guidance, NLP model configs, and production ready pipeline templates. No more Googling how to center text in PowerPoint programmatically. Now, your AI assistant knows how to auto generate slide headers from model metrics, sync templates with Figma, and batch export decks for your team's 5 upcoming conferences. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Finally, a presentation tool that's less work than your average slide deck.